Hi guys, welcome to Design and Tech Co. This is your host Akhil, and today we'll be looking at a few different project management softwares and also understanding whether your business requires a project management software or not. A project management software is something that aligns your team together, and so that you're able to understand all the things that are required to get a delivery for a client in place. So if your business is around projects, in the sense you get commissioned by clients to create, for example, a website or a mobile application or some designs, then you are in the project management business, where in the sense you get a project from the client and you have a project manager. You may call him an account manager, an account executive, or a project coordinator, or something, anything like that. But essentially it's all revolving around getting the project and managing it and delivering it to the client. Now, whenever there's a project, there are many different things involved. There are milestones, there are payments that we have to get from the clients in order to be in order to keep delivering to the client. There are deadlines, and there are deliverables at every single milestone. At every single milestone, there are also tasks that you have to make, and you have to set deadlines on those tasks, so that the small tasks, whenever they get completed, they add up to bigger tasks, which lead into milestones, which then lead into deadlines, which then lead into the complete project getting completed. Now, this means that there are multiple stakeholders. For example, if it's a website, then there's a front end, there's a designer, there's a developer, and even in developers, there's a front end developer, there's a back end developer, then there's a testing person who's going to test. So this is the same kind of a work process that you would follow in a software, you would follow in a mobile application. Or you may even follow this, where you would have multiple people. You may even follow this in a design related project. Now, how would you go about managing this? Now, one way is to obviously have like mails, have everything on email, or have everything on WhatsApp or even Slack. But these are not project management softwares. These are just communication tools. You need to have something solid like a Jira, or it's a product by Atlassian, or Trello, or Asana, which are like proper project management softwares, in which you can divide your project into different tasks, into different milestones and different tasks, and then you can set deadlines on all of these tasks. What happens is, not only can you set deadlines, but you can also assign the people to those tasks, in the sense they would keep getting reminders as to when they have to deliver those tasks, and this helps the project manager keep a complete eye on the project. And also you can also, with these project management softwares, you can also give an access to the client, who is easily able to track something on his own dashboard, so that he does not have to follow up with you again and again, and he's not losing his mind over what's happening with this project. So basically, this helps you manage deadlines, it helps you manage people, it helps you manage the client more effectively. And like I said, there are many project management softwares out there. If you're a startup, and especially if you're in the tech space, we are building a ERP or a small software which is going to help startups streamline all of their processes and streamline their business practices. And this also has a project management module built in. The software is known as Dominate, and if you are a startup looking to streamline everything and to take better decisions and to manage projects in a better way, check out Dominate. It's going to be up in a couple of months. If you like this video, head over to our channel Design and Tech Co, where we have compared various different project management softwares to each other and find out the right project management software for your company. Thank you, and see you next time.